Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, welcome back if you've been here before. This video is about a parting method that I use for my box braids. Parting is so very important when it comes to box braids. If you don't have the perfect parts, then it really messes up, I would say, over half the style. So when you're parting, you have to make sure though you have the right type of gel, not edge booster, because I've tried that before, but you have to have the right type of gel that's hard, that's tough enough, I would say, to lay them edges, make it shine, condition, and more. So this time I tried this Lock and Shine, and this one came from the beauty supply store, and I'll show you the bottle or the jar once we get into it. And it is coming up now. There it is. Lock and Shine is what I use, and I'm gonna put that in the description because I don't think I showed that fast enough or slow enough for anybody to really see it. But anyway, so this particular shine and gel, it does the job. It have the parts be really crisp, really clean, and it just stayed shiny the entire time I wore my hair like this, and it was 3 weeks. So it just really did its job. And so you're just going to really see me go in with my edge brush to allow that shine to kind of seep into the hair. So once I get ready to section it off with the rubber bands, it'll be a lot easier to see how everything just flows in place. I always use 2 rubber bands. I've used 3 before, but I noticed I don't necessarily need to use 3. I have used 1 before, and it's not tight enough. So I always go with 2 once I'm doing my parting method to do box braids in my hair. And so I want the braids to be rather medium, large, something like that. I don't want them to be small, let me just say that. And so I'm not putting too many sections because this took about an hour and a half to do, to really clean the parts up, to really take my ragtail comb and make everything really crisp and shine, and for those sections to be really perfect. So you're just really going to see me go all over. Actually, no, just the first section. You're just going to see me go over the first sections of my hair, because the back, once I get to the back, it's a little bit difficult to film that part of it. So I did the back off camera, and you'll just see the finished products once I'm completely done. Now, I won't show in this video the actual box braids that's going to come in the next video, but the parting method itself was a whole deal, a whole process. So I wanted to just break this up and show a little bit at a time. And I'll allow you to watch the rest of this video.